Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to take a pretty big challenge on. We're going to be building a pallet wall or backdrop wall. So a very good friend of ours is going to get proposed to tomorrow, and we're going to do a special wall for that beautiful event. So here are the things that we have brought. We have 4 pallets. And then we brought some extra scrap wood, so 2x4, and what is this called again, Mick?
2x4s and 2x2s.
Okay, you heard them, 2x4 and 2x2s. Then you need a lot of supplies. We have the ladder. We have this little bench thing here to help us put our, hold things, and then a bunch of supplies. So we're gonna show you how we do it, and hopefully it comes out really nice, and then we're gonna decorate it. So stick around.
Not bad.
Not bad. Why did you hammer that inwards like that so it doesn't show?
No, just to get better, be able to put screws more and just better, make a better bracket.
Okay.
It's my chair.
Damn, I'm smart.
On my iPad, we can't comment.
So if you don't mind me asking, why are you putting that?
Just make it look pretty.
To make it look pretty?
Yeah, it also helps as a bracket.
I hate to ask dumb questions, but isn't that a hinge?
Yeah.
Those are hinges, right?
Yeah.
But this is not gonna open and close like a door. So why are we doing that?
To make it look pretty, I gotta put some brackets. Might as well put these instead of anything else. That's it.
So we're just using whatever we have in our garage. Okay. That's why we're doing that. What?
When we had for pizza for dinner, know what it said?
What did it say?
Stop bringing the box and dig in already.
You just gotta let Mike do his thing, you know? There's no like sense or logic when we build these things.
He has a vision.
He has a vision.
I don't want to wear different shoes.
You hold
I
on.
don't change my shoes.
On this side, I'll tell you. What mess it? What we're gonna do is, I need to stand on this side. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. Side.
Yeah. Hold it down.
Careful, guys.
Okay, now up a little bit.
Let me hold it.
Ready, stop, ready. Come here. Stay right there. Stay right there.